We're here at Best Auto Service Center located in Tannersville because we want to talk about getting your car ready for spring. One of the most important things, Tom, that we should talk about is the air filter system in a car. A lot of people don't even think that they have one of those. But what does it do?
The cabin air filter actually filters all of the incoming air coming into the cabin.
So when you're running your air conditioner or your heater, that's air that's coming in from the outside.
It's constantly coming in and going across these two filters. So,
okay, and wow, look at the difference between these two. This is a dirty one?
Yeah, this one's pretty dirty. You can see it's all gray and dark, and there's debris inside the middle of the pleats. And this is a new AC Delco one, which you can see is
clean. That is
brand new.
So obviously the air is not going to go through here too well, and all those contaminants could be coming into your vehicle over and over again.
Because you could have mold spores in the duct, irises and stuff like that. So people that have allergies or health concerns, it's real important to have this changed. And then we also have a chemical that we disinfect the ducts so it kills any kind of mold spores, dirt, debris, and it makes the vehicle smell nice too.
Wow, that's great. Now, of course, this time of year, we're going to be getting ready for more driving out there. The winter's done, and we're looking at spring and summer driving, and there's things that you need to do to make sure that your car is ready for that.
We're running a spring special right now for only $19.99. We'll check the whole vehicle over and see if it needs anything, and just make sure the car is safe for the customer for the spring and summer months coming.
Now, as we shift seasons too, your tires need to be changed. You might have winter snow tires on. Time to get something for the spring and summer.
That's right. Now it's time to get the winter tires off, and then we can put the all seasons back on for the customers. So all they got to do is give us a call and make an appointment, and we'll get that done for them.
Now let's talk about Best Auto used cars. You have a fine selection here, Tom. Tell us about some of the cars.
Oh, George, I have a pretty decent sized collection of Nissans, Subarus, some Chevys, Jeeps over there, Toyotas.
Right, something for everybody here, which is really nice. And you guys look over every vehicle before they ever make it here on the lot.
That's right. Every vehicle comes through the shop. Our ASC certified technicians, they check them over. Whatever they need, we do. Nice. And then on top of that too, we put a warranty on them.
Oh, tell us about that.
We put a warranty on them so it covers the powertrain, so your engine, transmission, your computer for the vehicle, for the engine, for the brake system, and it also covers seals and gaskets. So if there was a leak on a seal or a gasket, that would be covered too.
So you're doing it the right way, and also buying here, you know that you can always bring it back to Best Auto for your continued maintenance on the vehicle, which is nice.
Absolutely right. Like I said, we have the warranty, and we also have financing available through the website for the used cars. So we have financing for good credit, bad credit. Even if somebody has a bank repossession, it's not a problem. We can take care of them.
Sure, and financing for repairs too for anybody's car. Now you mentioned warranty on these used cars, but if somebody has just purchased a new car at a dealer, but they're not happy about going to the dealership for their maintenance, you can do it here at Best Auto.
Yeah, that's a good point, because there is a law in state that's called the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act that prohibits any new car dealership to void a customer's warranty because they come to a service center. So we can do the maintenance on it, anything that customer needs, we can handle that for them. Nice. So all the services, they can come here.
Now, I know, Tom, you have two websites, one for the used cars and also for the service center.
That's correct.
So people can locate you on the web, but let's tell everybody, where is Best Auto Service Center located?
We're at 2945 Route 611 in Tannersville.